Statistics. This displays statistics relating to the machine. Press the menu icon. Scroll through the menu by pressing the icon relative to one of the scrolling arrows. Press the OK icon to select the function. Press the icon relative to one of the scrolling arrows to display the available data. Number of coffees delivered. Number of milk drinks delivered. Number of hot chocolates delivered. Total litres of water delivered. Number of water filters used. Number of times the machine has been descaled. To exit the menu, press the Escape icon.